Hi everyone, I'm Peter Parker, Product Engineer for Leatherman Tool Group. And today I'm excited to walk you through the tools and features of the Rebar multipurpose tool. Introduced in 2012, the Rebar is a compact multi-purpose tool that's great for work, home projects, and more. It may look familiar as it shares the same design as Tim Leatherman's original multi-tool, the Pocket Survival Tool. Rebar features comfortable handles with rounded edges, as well as all locking tools that allow you to work safely and with confidence. The Rebar comes in 3 color options, is packed with 17 tools, weighs 6.7 ounces, and is 4 inches in length when closed. Now let's walk through the tools featured on the Rebar. When you open the Rebar, you'll have access to needle nose and regular pliers, along with premium, regular, and hard wire cutters. There's also an electrical crimper at the base of the jaws. The handles feature ruler marks in inches and centimeters for quick measurements. Inside the handles, you'll find a variety of useful tools, including the straight edge knife blade, wood metal file, medium screwdriver, awl, small screwdriver, and lanyard ring. On the other side, you'll find a serrated knife blade, saw, Phillips screwdriver, can, bottle opener, and wire stripper. All of these tools can be locked during use and unlocked for storage. To open the knife blade, grab the knife blade at the nail nick and rotate until the blade locks in place. To store the blade, press on the lock and stow it back into the handle. Another feature that's great about the Rebar is that the tools are accessible even when you're wearing gloves. So knife blades have larger cutouts and tools have larger nail nicks for accessibility. The Rebar is covered by our 25-year warranty. For more information about Rebar or any of our other multi-purpose products, visit us at leatherman.com.